In front of me is Oukitel WP35 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now to add an audio file, use this plus at the bottom left corner. Select Files and look for it by tapping on Audio at the top, selecting one of those apps or clicking on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, after finding your file, hold it and tap on Select at the top right corner to attach it. To add a video one, select Gallery section instead of Files and tap on your video over here. If you can't find it, hit Folders and tap on it over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!